Let's start to review this week's lowest score 3-week signal stocks. The first in this category is EML, the next is EQT, and the last one is LLC. EML Payments is belongs to financial sector. It have a very low profile score of a 1.628 out of a 10. EML last week traded at a 3.75 and it have a move of a negative 9% over the past month and a negative 68% over the last 6 months. Core findings. EML belongs in a weak category. Weak category is the biggest category as per our data calculation. Is EMA prime verdict and magnitude of a weak and drift, which shows it is going weaker and drifting aside. Sporting output metrics. Its trend shows that it is in a downtrend and in a tumble condition. Its volatility is medium, which indicating it is only moving in a one direction. Liquidity for EML is a standard, but it has a safety risk of exposed. Next in the category is a EQT Holding Limited. It also belongs to the financial sector. The data model profile of this stock is a 2.877. EQT last week traded at a $15.70, and it has a drop of a 19% over the 1 month and about a 50% over the last 6 months. Core metrics. Its prime metric verdict is a weak and a score of a 0.7%. Prime verdict with the EMA and magnitude is a weak and ease. Behavior pattern verdict score is also in a drop phase. Secondary sporting metrics. The stock movement is a downtrend and it is in a tumble condition. Its volatility is a spike, which means it has a lot of up and down. Liquidity is the standard. This category is a caution with a lot of upside pressure. Upside pressure is a 73%. Third stock in the weak category is a Land Lease Group. It is in a real estate sector with a profile score of 5.195. Last week, LLC is closed at $2.46. Over the last 1 month, it drops by 23%, and over the last 6 months, it has a 57% drop. Prime metrics. It is showing in a weak category with a score of 1.8%. It is prime EMA verdict and magnitude is a weak and fall. Behavior pattern is also in a drop phase with the 8.7% of a score. Sporting metrics. The stock movement direction is a downtrend and in a tumble condition. The volatility is a spike. Its liquidity is in an available state. The safety risk is in a caution. The upside pressure of a 90% is the highest among all three. Thanks for watching. Follow for the regular updates.